Na 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 na. It's Naz's world.
So I have just finished making my breakfast. I am having some prata with an egg and a nugget. I don't know why, but my egg ended up being a triangle. I don't know what's up with that. So this is what I'm having right now for my breakfast. It's just normal cornflakes with milk. Hi guys, it's a Monday morning and this is what I made for breakfast. This is just 2 pieces of bread with a chocolate hazelnut spread. The spread that I used is Choco Hazelnut Spread by Delphi. It tastes really good actually. And along with that, I also had this mixture of water and psyllium husk, because it helps to clear out the intestines early in the morning, and it also helps to get your bowel movements going. Good morning guys. I ran out of bread today and this is the only baked thing that I had. This biscuit like thing is called dry cake. So all this while I've been like putting my chocolate spread on bread, right? But today I couldn't do that and I had no other breakfast ideas, so I just put my chocolate spread on this dry cake, and yeah, I hope it tastes good. So I just took 2 bites out of my dry cake and I've got to say that it tastes really good, so mission accomplished. This is what I made for lunch. So there is an egg, a chicken, there is a tomato, lettuce. This is all enclosed in a tortilla wrap. And then I also have the Arabian cake that my roommate gave me. It's really good. This is what I'm having for my lunch. It's noodles, a nugget, sausages and carrots, and I had a banana here, but I ate it. So this is what I'm having today. I have a tortilla wrap filled with an egg, tomatoes, carrots, chicken, and there's lettuce somewhere inside there. And I also have chocolate cake. This is 5.5 ringgit guys. So worth it. So I'm having my lunch right now, and one thing that I'm really proud of is the fact that my nuggets are finally crispy. Like all this while it has been so flaccid and it has been kind of soggy, but today I cooked it at 1000 degrees Celsius and it finally turned out crispy, so I'm really happy about that. And this is what I'm having for today. I'm having rice, vegetables, and some beef that my mom cooked. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my dinner for tonight. So this is a very simple burger slash sandwich that I made. There is 3 layers of bread. There's lettuce, tomato, a burger, some cheese and mayonnaise, and honestly this tastes so good. I've been having this literally for the past 5 days straight and I'm still not sick of it. And it's also very nutritious. It has all the nutrients that I need. It has fiber, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. Hi guys, so it's a Friday night, it's 8 p.m. and this is my dinner right now. This is called nasi kukus, which is steamed rice, and it has curry, rice, and a piece of chicken, and the curry is really delicious. In total, the entire price of this meal is 3 ringgit and 90 cents, which is about $1.30. Right now I'm studying the lymphatic system while I'm eating my dinner. Okay, so I'm halfway through my dinner and I just wanted to let you guys know the nutritional aspect of my dinner. So it's got carbs from the tortilla wrap, it's got fiber from the carrots and the lettuce and the tomatoes, and it's got proteins from the chicken. And there are obviously other vitamins and stuff from the vegetables as well. And it was really easy to make. It took me about 20 minutes just to fry the chicken and cut up all the carrots and stuff. And I fried the chicken at one go, and I cut up the carrots for the next 3 days, so I don't have to really do much other than put everything together. So I hope that it benefited you. I hope that it gave you some ideas on how to plan for your meal and also how to make an easy, nutritious meal for your day-to-day meals. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!